So GainzAlgo V2 is basically just the absolute best version of our existing GainzAlgo tool. As you can see immediately, you can notice these TP and SL labels, right, which GainzAlgo Pro does not have, and the accuracy of GainzAlgo V2 is the absolute highest. Okay, so let's begin. So as you can see, if we take this signal as an example, right, and by the way, we're on the gold XAU USD 15-minute chart. Okay, so this buy signal right here, above it, we have this new feature. It says TP and SL. So for those who don't know, TP means take profit, SL means stop loss, right? So if we take the long position tool here on TradingView and we measure out this position, so as you can see, we got the signal on this candle, so we're gonna place our trade on the next one because we want to have obviously a confirmed signal. So the second candle there starts around here, so our TP is 2039, right? So let's adjust it. That's 2039, and our stop loss is 2034. That would be around here. As you can see, easily profitable trade. Now, one concern that I often see in our comment section is that a lot of people say that if you do small trades like this, the commission that your broker charges you will often eat up your profits. And actually, that is often very true. So what I recommend is to trade on a little higher time frames, right? Don't trade on like 1 minute time frame or 5 minute. Maybe trade on 15 minute, right? 30 minute, 45, 1 hour, right? And if you have a premium TradingView account, you can even go, you can even get more specific. You can do like 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and stuff like that. But another thing you can do with GainzAlgo V2, by the way, let me show you the settings menu here. As you can see, here it is. We can display the TP and SL labels here. We can also hide them, right? But we have all of these options to adjust the risk, right? So the first setting is risk to reward ratio, right? Also known as RRR, right? So we have all these 4 different ratios. We have 1-to-1, 2-to-3, 1-to-2, and 1-to-4. So for those who don't know what that means, we have this helpful tip here which explains that, right? Set a risk to reward ratio. Now the way these ratios work, right, is as you can see, it says risk to reward, right? So we're essentially risking 1, and what is our potential reward, right? So if we set that 1-to-1, that means that whatever we're risking, we're essentially going for the same amount, the same kind of reward. So if we risk $1, we're trying to win $1 as well. With this ratio, we're risking $2 trying to win $3, right, for every dollar that we risk. With this one, we're risking 1 trying to get 2, and with this one, we're risking $1 trying to get 4. Now, obviously, this sounds the best, right, but that is the riskiest option. So be careful, right? The default one is 1-to-2, right, but you can even go a little lower and do 2-to-3, right? But yeah, we have these 4 different options that you can experiment and use based on your sort of risk tolerance and your style of trading. Then we have the TP and SL multiplier. So this basically increases the risk for both TP and SL, right? It increases the risk and the reward. So if we switch it from 1 to 2, right, as you can see, the number for the TP right now went from 39 to 42, and the SL went from 34 to 32, right? So it increases both TP and SL, which is another setting you can adjust if you want to have bigger trades, right? So that helps with that, problem of your broker charging you a little, too much in commission at times. And then we have TP and SL precision. So if you trade, for example, Bitcoin, right, which has a very high price of over 60,000, you don't care about about whatever the number goes after the point there, right, after the comma. You don't care if it's 90 cents, 50 cents, right? So in that case, you can actually lower this down to 0, and the number will be nicely rounded. But with some crypto coins, right, you'll have a crypto coin that maybe like Dogecoin or Pepe or whatever, that is only worth a few cents or maybe even less, right? So in that case, you can actually turn up the precision here, and you will see a full, the full number there, the full fraction, right? So the default one is 2, so we're gonna keep it that way. And then we also have the customization settings, right? So we have label size, label style, and these are the previous settings that you've been able to choose, right? So this is for having different sort of labels, right? So we can change the size, we can change the color there, and so on. So now let's take a look at the other trades as well. So as you can see here, we have a sell signal, so we're gonna do a short trade, right? Once again, you can see the candle closed right here, the one that we got the signal on. So we're gonna open our position right here. Our stop loss, let's take a look, is 2047, right? So let's set it there precisely. There it is, and our take profit is 20.35. There you go. As you can see, we easily smashed through this trade, but as you can see, there was a lot more room here, right, to make a lot more profit. So that's why you have all these settings here, so you could increase the risk, right, if you feel like you have to. So as you can see, this tool is absolutely amazing, and with this new TP and SL feature, it makes it even better. So if you would like to get GainzAlgo V2 for yourself, go to the comment section and you will find a pinned link to get it there. Also, we currently still have our 80% sale, so if you would like to get GainzAlgo V2 for the best price, I recommend you to get it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.